the main thing you have to focus on is making sure you're putting out music that's better than the music you put out before.
Yeah. That lends itself extremely well to what the culture is now, which is like new thing, new thing, new thing. So you might as well put out a bunch of stuff. I've heard of people recording tracks, writing them, recording them, and putting them out the same day.
Yeah, I did that with one of my students. We recorded a track
That's cool.
and did it like an hour. You know
Wow.
what I mean?
Yeah.
If the energy's right and everything is, the stars are aligned, then that happens.
I don't look back. Like, I don't really listen to stuff I record, but then every once in a while I'll pull it up and I'll say, oh, this is pretty good, you know? And that's about
Yeah,
it.
yeah, and it's great to look back. Like Miles Davis talks about it in an interview where it's
Mm,
like he always looked back at his music. He always looked to see what he did and what he'd done so he could apply it to the future.
yeah.
You know, and I think sometimes a lot of artists or musicians get wrapped up in like, I'm gonna stay with, I don't want that to affect my process. You know what I mean? When in
Yeah.
actuality, it could help your process. Like I
Yeah.
love going back to my mom's house and pulling up all the old songs that I recorded
Yeah.
that nobody have ever heard, or you know what I mean? Like I
Yeah.
love that. Like I
Yeah.
love going like I'll sit there and I'll listen to that stuff for hours. You know what I
Yeah.
mean?
Hmm.
Just to put myself in that space. You know what I mean? Like it's just
Hmm.
like it's fun.
Also, just the advantage of doing a lot of recordings, which is I've been trying to do that with my band, is like different producer, different recording, different studio, blah blah blah, different mics. Then I can really listen and back and be like, wow, this one's really good. What do we do here? Oh, cool, you know.
Right,
So
right.
then you
And
can
then
get
you
even
apply
better.
it. Right,
Yeah, I apply it.
right,
Yeah.
right.
And that's all encompassing with our theme, get out of your own way. That's the whole thing. So
Oh
um,
yeah, yeah,
I
right.
love that we
Yeah.
talked about that. We didn't even um,
Perfect.
yeah, so that's perfect.